Hi, my name is Jessita. I am an esthetician and I'm here to show you the proper way to conduct the Luvala experience. In my experience as an esthetician, one of the most common causes for irritations and sensitivities are the chemicals that are used to create these cosmetic products. I am very excited to finally have found a product line that is 100% natural, organic, and sustainable. I introduce to you Luvala Certified Organic. Before performing the Luvala experience on a customer, there are some things you need to determine first. Their skin type is one of them. This will help you determine which products to use on that particular customer. You can start by asking the customer what products they are currently using on their skin. You can also ask them what they think their skin type is or what some of their skincare concerns and goals might be. Let's go over some of the skin types you might encounter. You should have received a Luvala training manual along with this video. Please refer to it now. On pages 11 through 15, you'll find a quick study chart. Follow along as I go over the skin types you might encounter. Let's start with the sensitive skin type. The sensitive skin type is actually not a type. It's more of a condition. Any skin type can be sensitive. It is usually characterized by redness. A person might blush more frequently than others, and their skin is red without cause. They are easily irritated, and they can't use products that most other people they know can. Along with that skin type, you might find they are oily. Oily skin is a little bit shinier than other skin. Usually looks a little thicker, more supple. Their pores are enlarged, and most people think that if they have acneic skin, they also have oily skin. They often have breakouts. Their pores are clogged with blackheads or whiteheads, and they have difficulty wearing makeup if they are female. The next skin type you might encounter is dry. Dry skin is tight, it is itchy, can be flaky, it looks parched, it is thin, it is not supple, or you can't pinch it real easily. And they describe their skin as prone to wrinkling, even though it is tight, in fact. They might feel that their skin itches after they use a soap or a cleanser, and they can't use most lotions because they actually do contain alcohol products, and they find that to sting. Another skin type you might encounter is normal, and sadly, normal is not very common. Most people don't even realize they have normal skin. Normal skin is both oily and dry, but in a balanced situation. It is neither shiny, nor tight, nor large pores or compacted pores which have the blackheads in them. It usually just looks normal. Then finally we have combination skin. I find that combination skin is the most common skin type, and people are usually annoyed by something in particular. It could be their oily forehead and dry cheekbones or chin area. It could be that they have breakouts in certain parts and not others. There's a lot of different combinations, and for this skin type, you'll probably end up recommending different products for different areas of the face. The important thing with combination skin is to find out what they are most concerned with. If it's the oiliness, address the oiliness. If it's the dryness, address the dryness. If it's the breakouts, address those issues. And lastly, I'd like to mention acneic skin. This is not in your quick study chart, but acneic skin is the type of skin that does break out often. These are not regular pimples, these are zits that might pus and want to be popped, which is not a good thing. This type of problem can occur to any skin type. It can be dry, it can be oily, it can be combination skin. Acne is actually a medical condition and not a skin type. For this person who comes to you with problems of acne, you'll want to ascertain their skin type, oily, normal, or dry, or combination, rather than address their acne. Let's talk about what you'll need at your station in order to perform the Luvala experience. You are going to need cotton rounds and cotton swabs. You are also going to need hand sanitizer, a bottle of water. You're going to need facial tissues, and a handheld mirror will come in handy. We're going to be performing the Luvala experience on this customer today. The first thing you need to do, now that you've ascertained what her skin type is and what products you want to recommend, is cleanse your own hands. Let's use the hand sanitizer and cleanse our hands first. The client should see you doing this so they know that you are committed to their health and protecting them. We're going to be performing this Luvala experience on Saida's hand. We're going to use the back of the hand, and we're only going to work the area between the wrist and the knuckles. Let's start by wetting a cotton round. And wiping it on her hand. We throw away all the implements as we use them. We will next apply the cleanser to a new cotton round. And wipe it on the area we just cleansed with water. While you are doing this, you should mention some of the benefits of the cleanser you have chosen for your customer. Talk about the properties of the ingredients and why you are recommending this particular cleanser to this particular customer. To remove the cleanser, you again grab a cotton round, wet it with the water, and simply wipe away the cleanser. Use circular motions when doing all of the steps, and allow the customer to smell and feel their cleansed skin. After applying the cleanser, we will be applying toner. Once again, while doing this procedure, talk about the benefits of the product, the reason for recommending the product, why this product is ideal for the customer, perhaps some of the differences of Luvala skincare when compared to other products. Our cotton rounds always go in the trash once we're done. The customer can then again smell and feel their skin. Next, we will apply the moisturizer we have selected for this particular client. The moisturizer will be applied directly to the skin, being careful not to touch the tube to the skin. Moisturizer can be massaged into the skin by yourself or by the client. Gently massage in circular motions until the product has absorbed. Talk to the client, talk to your customer about the product, about the scent, about the qualities of this moisturizer for the concerns that they have expressed already. Allow the client to feel the product once it has absorbed. Feel their skin, mention the differences, ask the client what they think at this point. And finally, you can offer the client to try the eye and lip cream on their own by applying it to a cotton swab and handing it to the client along with a mirror to apply on their own lips. No. Don't forget to tell the client the benefits of this product as well.